Carnival Cruise Lines has announced plans for a nearly $200 million bow to stern makeover of the venerable old Carnival Triumph, and it will then be renamed the Carnival Sunrise. So starting in spring of 2019, we'll have a new ship, at least in name, the Carnival Sunrise. Carnival Sunrise will begin in April of 2019 with a series of Bahamas cruises from Norfolk, Virginia. Then she moves to New York for some cruises to Bermuda, to New England and Canada, and to the Caribbean out of the Manhattan Station in New York City. Following New York, the Carnival Sunrise will be based permanently in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where she will offer a series of 4- and 5-day Bahamas cruises, 5-day Jamaica cruises, and 5-day Cuba cruises, all from Fort Lauderdale. The 2-month-long refurbishment will take place in Cadiz, Spain, starting March the 1st. The target date for the first cruise out of Norfolk is April 29th. The new Carnival Sunrise will join the line's Sunrise class, and according to Carnival officials, will be up to the standards of the new ships brought out in the line in recent years. There are several major changes. One is to all the cabins will be redone, and the most obvious changes are in the food and beverage area. Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue will be added. Cucina del Capitano will be added. Also new to the dining options will be Fahrenheit 555 Steakhouse, the Bonsai Sushi Express, and the Red Frog Pub. In addition, the adult-only Serenity Deck will be added to the ship. The refurbishment will also consist of upgrades to the spa and fitness area and the outdoor recreation area. You know, if you'd like to join our little community of worldwide travelers, just hit the subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. You can share information, videos, pictures, and ideas on upcoming trips. If you're interested in a Carnival Sunrise cruise, contact F&C Travel today. We're taking reservations now for the first cruises. And if you've enjoyed this video, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button. And hopefully we'll see you on a cruise real soon.